Newsflash. Allergy sufferers in Baton Rouge now are covered by most 98% of insurance providers, including Medicare and Medicaid, for allergy testing and the all-natural serum treatment. That's the good news. The bad news is that only a few local allergy clinics offer this service. So if you suffer from allergies and want to get tested and have your serum paid for, some restrictions may apply. Call Dr. Randy Whitfield today at 225-217-2758.